It looks good.
No, it doesn't feel good.
Hi.
So for today's vlog, we're gonna attempt to try to do this. It's a Filipino bread, Ube Pandesal. Ube
Pandesal.
Yes, good. So sana I hope it's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright, mate.
Okay.
Sana okay yung lasa. So let's go.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Hi! So, sa umpisa, for the start, we're gonna put the warm milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and the yeast together. Correct?
Yeah, how much milk was it?
I already measured it.
Oh. I'd like to know.
It's half cup.
Okay.
1 cup.
It's 1 cup.
So yeah. So yan yung sugar. Did I put sugar or did I just put salt?
Looks like sugar.
Noob! You're such a noob.
Amateur.
So that one, sugar, milk, and
Dissolve.
dissolve. And then put the
Yeast.
yeast.
2 tablespoons.
Yeah, this is it. This is it. 2 tablespoons of yeast. Putting it now. And
Everyone likes yeast.
cha. Should I mix?
Yeah.
And then after this, I think I'm gonna wait for this to be activated.
Yes.
Yeah.
5 to 10 minutes should get foamy, they say.
Okay. So we wait 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes foamy. And then next, so I'm gonna set this aside first. Bakit ba? Why am I speaking English? Can I just talk Tagalog? Now, i-mix natin yung mga dry ingredients. Yung flour, all-purpose flour, bread flour, salt, and sugar. Baka maybe you're wondering why I'm saving it. Kasi meron akong nakita mga insekto kanina. So, ayoko silang masali dito. So, yun lang. Ay, hala. Ano ba yan?
Ano ba yan? Hala.
So, ito, may mga ganito ako eh. May insect yung flour ko.
It's kind of hard to focus.
Was it in focus?
Yeah.
1 teaspoon of salt. And then, sugar. 1 cup of sugar yata yung nasa recipe. That's it. Yun, naglagay lang ako ng a little bit of taro powder kasi wala akong ube flavoring. Okay, so ilalagay ko na yung yeast. Hala, ba't ganyan itsura? And then oil. Oh, hindi. Wait lang. Ito muna.
2 teaspoon?
2 teaspoon. Kasi wala akong vanilla extract. So, 1:2.
1, 2.
And then, oil.
Half cup.
Half cup.
And
then?
Then you gotta mix it.
Okay, I'm gonna mix it. Mix it with my, what, hand?
Mix the dough until it forms. Transfer in a clean flat surface. Manually knead the dough for at least 8 minutes. So, yeah, do that. And then when you're ready, we want to put it on here.
Yeah.
I want to get rid of this.
Hala, why does it come in clumps? Hala, ganito ba? Does
Yes.
it supposed to look like this or what?
I don't know. You're the chef. Keep going.
Hala, alisin ko. I'm not
Oh,
gonna.
finger time.
Oh my gosh.
Wipe my hands, they're oily.
Hala.
you want some flour? You could put it on here.
It's not for me.
Keep going. I believe in you.
They all go inside my nails.
Well, whose fault's that? So, you want to put some flour on the table and then you can transfer to the table?
Iggy, help me,
I
me.
cannot do
I
both.
can't. Babe, I really can't.
I like you when you're stressed. Here, we put a little bit on the
Babe,
table.
look at that. Look at those particles. It's gonna go to my bread.
That's fine.
It's not.
It's this. That's the taro flavor.
I'm
There you go.
not gonna do it unless you take out those small stuff.
It looks good.
No, it doesn't feel
You
good.
look like a baker.
It doesn't feel good. Someone took over kasi hindi ako marunong. Naks. Nice, babe. Tada! That's the dough. So, sabi kapag nag-bounce back na daw ang finger, char. Okay na daw yun.
You pushed it so hard. It kind of bounced back and the limit didn't.
Tapos sabi, put it in a greased bowl. So, I'm gonna put some oil. Pwede na ba yun? Is that okay?
Sounds fine.
That's fine?
I don't guess. You're the expert.
Hindi pa.
Still bouncing back? Check.
Wait. It's bouncing back. So, greased bowl. Okay. Ayan. Greased bowl. It's greased.
Okay.
Put the dough in. I think I put too much oil. Put the dough in. And cover it with a tea towel. That's it.
Wunderbar. How long?
I don't know. 1.5 hour. 1.5 hour.
Okay, we'll be back then.
What you doing?
Well, we've skipped a little bit, but what we've done is we've taken it out after it's doubled a little bit, risen. I've rolled it and elongated it into this slug-like creature that I need to cut into 25 pieces. Hey, doesn't that look appealing? Don't you want to eat that? What are you doing, Nova?
Naglalagay ako, ipa-flat ko yung dough, tapos naglalagay ako ng halaya, tapos maglalagay ako ng cheese sa gitna. Pero sablay siya, guys.
What's the cheese? Cheddar.
Cheddar cheese.
Cheddar cheese girl. How good is your folding skills?
I don't know how to fold. That's the thing. Look at that. I don't know how it's supposed to look like.
They look good. What are you talking about?
No, they look like they're fucked up.
Well, don't look at those ones. Look at this one.
Nagsiritan guys yung halaya at saka yung cheese.
Look good there.
Tapos, maputla siya kasi wala nga akong food coloring. Anyway, let's try it.
You already have, apparently.
Oh, shit. It's so hot. Anyway, I wanna open it in front of them. Oh! Ow! Okay.
Focus. And the verdict is... Oh, there's a finger.
The verdict is...
Tastes like cheese?
Tastes like cheese bread. It tastes like cheese bread.
This is for me, is it?
It's hot. Oh yeah. What do you say? What can you say?
I don't know. I don't know what it's supposed to taste like. I don't know what your dessert is normally.
It's supposed to taste like this, Heya.
I think it's nice. It's just it's subtle. It's good.
Okay.
Is there enough of the filling? Or do you think you should put more in?
Don't know.
There you go.
This is nice.
Good.